Micheal Jordan said in one of his interviews, when they said, "You're unbelievable, you're the greatest basketball player of all times. Tell me about that." And he says, "Well, you're just mentioning the successes." But he says, "For me to become the greatest basketball player, I missed 9,000 shots."
How did Micheal Jordan become a billionaire? And what lessons can we apply in our lives to help us be successful too? Welcome to Billionaire Elements, where we uncover the extraordinary journeys of remarkable individuals and leverage key lessons learned from popular books to help you thrive. Today, we're diving into the inspiring story of how basketball legend Micheal Jordan became a billionaire. We'll also explore 3 influential business deals that propelled him to billionaire status and reveal 5 valuable lessons from Micheal Jordan applied from the timeless classic book, Think and Grow Rich, that can also help entrepreneurial-minded people like you achieve wealth. So let's lace up our sneakers and get started. Micheal Jordan's path to success wasn't just about his incredible skills on the basketball court. He became a billionaire by leveraging his fame, talent, and keen business acumen.
I know a thing or two about the game been involved with a great player.
Fun fact number 1. Did you know that Micheal Jordan initially had dreams of becoming a professional baseball player? In 1994, he famously took a break from basketball and played minor league baseball, a testament to his versatility and determination. While Jordan's basketball career undoubtedly laid the foundation for his success, it was his strategic business deals that elevated him to billionaire status. Fun fact number 2. Micheal Jordan is the first former professional athlete to become a billionaire.
Was that yodeling I just heard, or did you just say what I thought you said?
Let's explore 3 groundbreaking business deals that contributed to Micheal Jordan's billionaire status. Business deal number 1. Nike partnership. Micheal Jordan's partnership with Nike, resulting in the creation of the iconic Air Jordan brand, was a game changer. Despite initial doubts, this collaboration revolutionized the sneaker industry and continues to be a dominant force today. Business deal number 2. Ownership of the Charlotte Hornets. Another key business move was Jordan's acquisition of ownership in the Charlotte Hornets. His involvement not only increased his wealth, but also allowed him to make a lasting impact on the basketball community as a whole. Business deal number 3. Endorsement deals. Micheal Jordan's endorsement deals with renowned brands like Gatorade, Hanes, and McDonald's helped him amass significant wealth. His unparalleled charisma and marketability turned him into a global icon, transcending the realm of sports. Now, let's uncover 3 invaluable lessons from Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, which people like yourself can apply to achieve wealth. Lesson number 1. Definiteness of purpose. The first lesson emphasizes the importance of having a clear and specific goal. Micheal Jordan's unwavering focus on becoming the best basketball player in the world guided his every decision, on and off the court. So define your purpose, set goals, and let them fuel your actions.
Come on, partner. Let's go to work.
Lesson number 2. Mastering persistence. Hill's second lesson highlights the power of persistence. Micheal Jordan faced numerous setbacks, including being cut from his high school basketball team. But he used those failures as motivation to work harder and prove himself. Remember, success often requires persistence in the face of adversity. Lesson number 3. Building a mastermind alliance. The third lesson underscores the importance of surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who can support and uplift you on your journey. Micheal Jordan's partnerships and collaborations with business-minded individuals played a crucial role in his financial success. Seek out mentors, build networks, and learn from those who have achieved what you aspire to. Jordan's unwavering self-belief and determination allowed him to push past his limits and achieve unparalleled success. By confronting fear head-on and refusing to let it dictate his actions, Jordan exemplified the power of courage and its transformative impact on personal achievement.
Oh yeah, yes sir, oh my, oh yeah.
While Micheal Jordan's success as a basketball player contributed significantly to his wealth, His application of faith and belief played a crucial role in his journey to becoming a billionaire. Jordan possessed an unwavering belief in his own abilities and had faith in his vision of what he could achieve beyond the basketball court. Even before he retired from basketball, Jordan began investing in various business ventures, including his own brand Air Jordan, which revolutionized the sneaker industry. He believed in the marketability of his brand and had faith in his ability to create a successful business empire. Jordan's belief in himself and his brand allowed him to make strategic decisions, take calculated risks, and persevere through challenges.
Who's the greatest basketball player ever?
By leveraging his faith and belief, Jordan transformed his athletic success into a lucrative business empire, ultimately achieving billionaire status. Let's review some facts. What year did Micheal Jordan take a break from basketball? You got the right answer. It means you have a good memory. True or false? Is Micheal Jordan the first athlete to become a billionaire? Congratulations, you're a smart individual.
Yes, I know. Yes.
Before we wrap up, let's leave you with 2 motivational sayings that can ignite the entrepreneur within you. Motivational saying number 1. I've failed over and over and over again in my life, and that's why I succeed. Micheal Jordan. Motivational saying number 2. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. And that wraps up our captivating journey into Micheal Jordan's rise to billionaire status and the timeless lessons from Think and Grow Rich. Remember, smart people like you have the potential to achieve extraordinary things through purpose, persistence, and building meaningful alliances. So step onto the court of life, seize every opportunity, and shoot for success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our community of ambitious individuals. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep hustling and always follow your dreams.